Hello, today we will guide you through how to register domains with Cloudflare. To begin, open your Cloudflare dashboard and go to the Domains Overview area of your account. This is the starting point for managing domain-related settings and registrations. If you are already signed in, you should be able to access this section directly from the main dashboard. Once you are on the Cloudflare dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Domains. This section is where Cloudflare groups together its domain services, including registration and management options. Taking a moment to get familiar with this menu can make future changes much easier. After that, click on Registrations. This will take you to the area where you can search for new domain names and begin the purchase process. If you are planning to secure a name for a business, project, or personal website, this is the place where availability is checked. In the search field, enter the domain name you want to look up. In this example, a sample search term is entered to demonstrate the process. As you type, it helps to keep your domain name simple, memorable, and easy to spell. That can make it easier for visitors to find your site later on. Next, click Search. Cloudflare will check whether that domain is available and show you the results. Depending on the name you choose, you may see different extensions or alternative options. Review the results carefully so you can select the version that best fits your needs. When you find the domain you want, click Confirm to buy, then follow the on-screen procedure to complete your registration. This part usually includes reviewing the domain details, confirming the purchase, and finishing the checkout process. Be sure to read each screen carefully before continuing so everything is entered correctly. As you move through the purchase flow, take your time and double-check the domain spelling. Even a small typo can result in registering the wrong domain, so it is worth pausing for a quick review before final confirmation. Once the purchase is complete, your new domain will be registered through Cloudflare, and you can continue with any next steps for connecting it to your website or online project. That's all there is to it. You've now seen how to register a domain with Cloudflare, from opening the domain section to searching for a name and confirming the purchase.